good, LNS Mafia? Welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'll be catching Selena with the coughing up blood prank. So basically, guys, I got this fake blood right here, and basically I'm gonna be eating because we have ordered food already and it should be on its way. So I'm gonna be eating. So while I'm eating, I'm gonna pretend like I'm choking and I'm gonna cough. And when I cough, I'm gonna cough up like fake blood. But before, I'm not gonna put it like in my mouth. I'm just gonna like have it on my hand already, and I'm just gonna like cough and then open my hand and show like, yo babe, I'm bleeding. So guys, basically I'm gonna do that prank just to get her reaction. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up right now before it even gets started. Give you like 5 seconds, 2 seconds maybe. Alright, and then without further ado, guys, make sure you leave a comment and let's get straight into the video. You got tissue? Oh, damn. Oh, this has never happened to me before.
What the hell?
Oh.
Did you just cough that up?
Yeah.
Did you just cough that
Yeah,
up?
my chest is like burning. You don't got water?
No. You got...
She got on the bed.
Drink this.
She don't help. No, I just got water all over my lips.
Drink this.
No, I don't want that. That's coffee stuff. My chest is already burning.
Oh my god, but it's cold.
Can
Just
you
sit
check in the
down.
bathroom? Let's go with
Just
tissue.
sit. Here. I don't know. How was your
I
problem?
need some tissue or something.
Why are you even coughing up blood?
I don't know. I tell you, my chest is like burning.
We gotta call. We gotta call.
Can you go in the
people.
bathroom and see if you bring like tissue or something? That wipey's not gonna help. And you said it's soak it up. Oh, you know, fucking water.
I think someone's in the bathroom. Yeah. There's no other tissues then that you can use?
Oh, this shit coming out a lot now. Oh, wait.
Wait, sit. Oh
Stop,
my
I need tissue.
God. We gotta call the ambulance. Sit down. Can you just sit? Like you're moving around too
Don't
much.
call the
Just
ambulance.
relax.
I'm
Yes,
just
we do
clean it
gotta
up.
call the ambulance.
I
Look
just
at how
need
you.
tissue and stuff.
I know you're literally bleeding through your mouth. What do you mean?
Don't call the ambulance.
Yes,
don't
stop.
call them. Don't call them. Don't call them.
So what you gonna do?
I'm just gonna deal with it. I'm just gonna clean it up.
You just said that's not gonna work.
Shit happened
Let
to
me
me
see.
last night too.
Open, what?
Last
Oh,
night.
okay. Open your mouth.
No. Chill.
Can you open?
No, you're gonna make me suffocate. You keep putting my head back.
Cause I'm trying to see.
Stop,
All right, so
stop.
just open your mouth a little bit.
Come on.
I know. I'm trying to help you, but
I need to.
this fucking guy. Why is it? Why is it sticking to you like that? Let me see. Ugh, let me see. Oh, let me see. Open your mouth.
No. Put it back up.
No, no. Just you. What? Why is that happening?
I don't know.
No, we have to call the freaking ambulance. You need to go to the hospital.
No, don't call the ambulance.
Stop.
Don't call the ambulance. Don't call the ambulance. Please. Don't call it. It's a prank. It's a prank. I was trying to kick this under, but it kept like rolling back. I'm surprised you didn't hear it, like the spraying part to it. Oh my god. I don't even stick to my lips a lot though.
it's gonna stick to your hand. That's why I'm like, what the?
It's going. It was never sticking to my hand.
It's on this hand.
Yeah, nah, yeah. Yeah, LNS Mafia, I think that was a fail, to be honest. I don't think this was a good prank. Like, look at it.
No, but like, so what was all that stuff there?
That was like when you kept, that's when I told you come over here, I was like spraying it in my hand, but the thing kept rolling out from under the bed, so I thought you saw it. That's why I was trying to tell you go over there and stuff like that and go to the bathroom. LNS Mafia, I think that was a fail. That prank was probably, it didn't go as planned because I don't know why. This shit kept like rolling.
I didn't see
it. Was rolling from under the bed. And stuff like that. But anyways, guys, if you think I caught Selena, give this video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below. Team Lyenell all day, every day. I don't know. I feel like that prank could have went better. I could have probably did something better. But now look, this shit's not gonna come out my hands.
How did you even do that? You sprayed it into your mouth and then you stopped?
Nah, like I had it in my hand and I went like this. But I was like second guessing it because look, it stains. So it's like I thought it was gonna like stain on my lips.
It was like liquidy, like if it was spit in your hand. Like, I don't know.
Focus. I don't know. Yeah, you was dead gonna call the ambulance. That's why I was trying to tell you not to call the ambulance, but you tried to call him anyway. Guys, you think I got Selena? She was more like trying to help me than worried. I don't think you was really worried. I think you was just like, oh, let me just help him clean it up.
No, I was trying to, no, because like, I didn't know what to do.
Of course not. You got, I'm telling you, get wipe. I said, don't get wipes, get tissue. Because tissue will soak up the blood. But either way, wipes would have worked too. But then you try to put my head back, like.
Because I was trying to open your mouth to see.
What if I was really coughing up blood? I could have suffocated.
Oh, well, I don't
But she
know.
was trying to kill me too, and I was trying to fake like I was gonna get, like I was dying. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. We on the road to 10K. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a loved one. Join the family, guys, on the road to 10K. And we love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.